What's up, guys? Just thought I would show you a little overview of my 06 Cummins build. Pretty mild, streetable build. You can still tow and daily drive with the truck and everything. So got your 35 12.5 by 20s, Nitto tires, fuel wheels. It's on a little bit larger than the leveling kit. Some aftermarket control arms and stuff like that. Aftermarket headlights seem to be doing okay with moisture and fogging and stuff like that. Set of amp steps. Underneath the truck you have a AirDog 165 lift pump, and then a fully built transfer case and transmission by Dave at Ultimate Transmission in Idaho. And then I built these track bars, tried to color match them as best as I could. Stock axles, stock gearing, all that stuff. It's got some helper bags in the rear for some towing. Exhaust, obviously, nothing too crazy back here. Debadged, at least some of it is. I haven't finished that. It's tuned by EFI Live by HB Trucks, Idaho Rob. Interior is pretty standard. Just got a navigation deck and some gauges and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy in here. I'd say most of the work that I've done has probably been underneath the hood. I do like this 40-inch curved light bar though. It fits the bumper really nice, contours perfectly. Under here I have a BD R700 turbo kit, compound kit. It's a S358, a 58 millimeter on top, and then a 72 millimeter down there on the bottom with their manifold and stuff like that. Studded, obviously. It's got push rods and valve springs from Hamilton, and then a small set of DDP 50 horsepower injectors. Pretty much wraps up the engine side, and monster ram and intercooler tubing and stuff like that. So really, a build that anybody could do. I've done a little over 650 at 1,200 foot-pounds of torque has been my best, and right at a high 12.9 at like 104 in the quarter mile. Wish I could say it was cheap, but anybody could do this build. You can daily drive with the truck and tow with it, and I trust it to get me A to B every day. If you guys have any questions, let me know.